Now that we've unboxed the Nexus hearing aids, let's walk through the initial setup. After removing the plastic tabs, wait 10 minutes before inserting the batteries. These are Zinc Air batteries which need time to activate by absorbing oxygen. Once the 10 minutes have passed, place the battery into the hearing aid, making sure it's positioned correctly. To turn them on, all you have to do is close the battery cage and you're all set. Utilizing the precise ear tips is important to experience optimal sound and comfort. There are 3 sizes of flower tips: small, medium, and large. Attach the ear tips to the hearing aids, then insert them into your ears. You may initially hear a slight whistle. This is normal and will fade out as the hearing aid adjusts. You may want to try out different sizes and compare the sound and comfort. In some cases, you may need a smaller one in one ear and a medium or large in the other. The hearing aid has 4 preset programs for different environments. Hold the plus or minus button for 3 seconds to switch programs. 1 beep for normal, 2 beeps for restaurant mode, 3 for outdoors, and 4 for music. To adjust the volume, tap the plus or minus button once. When you're done using the hearing aid, simply remove the hearing aids from your ear and open the battery compartment. This will shut off the device. Then place them back in the storage case with the ear tips still attached, ready for your next use. With your Nexus hearing aids all set up, you're now ready to enjoy enhanced hearing throughout your day.